My goal here is to make sure that as a team, we're coming together and we're being successful. As you can see behind us, our core values, we stand for being honest and doing the right thing always the first time.
Honesty is a big one, integrity. We stand by those words. Everyone is held accountable to those, and that's the reason why we don't hire just anyone.
We have a very good interview process. It could be a 3 or 4 time we meet the candidate, but it gets us to know who they are and what they value. We feel that's important because they could be great at the job, but if they value something different than what we do, there's always going to be like some miscommunication or even just the culture fit.
The family culture is huge here, so like when you feel like you're cared for, like that's the best feeling that you can have when you work somewhere. That makes you want to go to work.
Well, it's an incredible place to work just because it's so family oriented. We like to, have fun here. We like, enjoy ourselves. It doesn't really feel like work.
Are you looking for somewhere where you can like fit in and like really kind of grow yourself, not only just in a skill set, but in like a leadership aspect? Then this place is for you.
Nobody here has an ego or an attitude where they think they know everything. And it works really good together because we're always asking somebody else who may know more than us. And if you have the right people, they will always find a way to make it happen.
I already kind of grown a lot in this company right now. I started out more as like an administrative assistant, and now I'm, like HR and office manager. So, the opportunities are endless.
We want everybody that works here to be ultimately happy with what they do. Our philosophy is life is way too short to work at a job that you do not like.
If you are interested in an automotive career and want to be a part of our family, apply online at baileysfargo.com/careers.